Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use Wise with Google Pay. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So you can use your Wise with Google Pay by adding your physical or digital Wise card to your Google Wallet for tap to pay in stores and online, or by using Wise directly within the GPay app to send international transfers. Both methods offering secure, convenient payments using your Wise funds, and you can add your card via the Wise app or Google Wallet for physical payments, or select the GPay Apple Pay option within the Wise app when setting up a transfer for online or in-app payments. So first things first, go to your Wise app, then go to Cards tab in your Wise app, select the card you want to use, tap on Add to Google Pay, and follow the prompts. Then you can open your Google Wallet, then Add to Wallet, then into Payment Card, scan or manually enter your Wise card details and verify. It is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that